All right, today we're going to make an ordered pair picture, and you can do it with pencil and paper if you're doing it on GoFormative. When you first open the assignment, it will look like this. And you only have one question and all these ordered pairs. So you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom and open up the Show Your Work section. And you'll see now why I have all the ordered pairs in this long line. So this graph is pretty small, so don't forget we're going to zoom in on it. And you'll see where it says number 1, we're going to plot all these ordered pairs and connect them, and that's one section of the drawing. So when it says stop, you don't connect the previous point with the next one. Let's give it a go. So this first point is -4, 2. So I'm going to get my circle tool, and up at the top I'm going to make sure it has fill shape done so that I can get little circles. So -4 up 2, put a little dot, -3, 2, -3, 3, -4, 3, and then you'll see it came back to -4, 2. So this was my first little shape, and I'm going to use the line tool to connect them so that they will be nice and neat. And if you ever mess up, the back button is a great friend. Like if I don't like that line and want to redo it, I can scroll back and then remake those lines. And there we go. So number 1 is done. So now when I start with number 2, I am not going to connect it to my first part of the drawing. Now this is starting at -16, so I'll use my hand tool to move my graph over. And you can zoom in as much as you need to help you be able to see your screen. And then as you get closer to being done, you can zoom out and see your picture. If you have the ability to print it off at home and do it on pencil and paper, you're more than welcome to do that. And then when you get done, there's a little, it looks like a mountain in a picture. You can upload the picture of your ordered pair picture when you're done. So I hope that makes sense, and have fun.